What's going on, YouTube, E-World? So, been thinking long and hard about some things, and I've asked a lot of people their opinions and sought their advice, because although I may know a little something about DIY, electrical, electronics, and modifying e-bikes and fixing and repairing basically any damn thing. What I'm not good at is giving people prices that are fair to myself and worthy of the time and dedication and skill level that I put into my work. Yeah. So, that being said, all good things must come to an end. And this isn't coming to an end, as it's only the beginning. However, what's going to be coming to an end very soon is what I'm going to call my grand opening sale. Now, I'm just launching this e-bike business. It's about 2 months in it so far. And I plan to go the distance with this thing. And I don't see no reason why it shouldn't be a success or that I will fail. Because, frankly, don't want to sound cocky about it, but hey, it is what it is. When it comes to this stuff, I know my shit. And that's only due to the fact that I've been in this field for about 30 years. So I should. So I'm not sitting up here claiming to be the smartest person in the world, that I know everything about all things. But when it comes to this stuff here, electrical, mechanical, fixing and repairing, yeah, I'd say I'm pretty good at what I do. And I'm not no back alley jackleg, just tinkering around and, guessing and making a mess of stuff. I'm a professional. I have tools to do a proper job. I have mostly any and everything I need to work efficiently and get the job done, and the knowledge and skill to do it. Like I said, that's only because I've been doing it for years. Now, I knew coming into this e-bike industry, just showing up out of nowhere and nobody knows me from Adam, that I was going to have to pretty much give away some work to get my name out there and to prove myself, which is kind of hard to do. A lot of people don't want to take chances on you, or if they don't know you, nobody's going to jump out there and pay you crazy amounts of money and they don't know your background, or if you can actually do what you say you can do. So, like I said, in the beginning, I knew I was going to have to do some pro bono, inexpensive work, to prove myself. Now, this is a DIY channel, and I'm all about helping people save money and do it yourself. And I've given up as much free information as I can. I made over 180 videos in 2 months, giving a whole bunch of free tidbits of how to do this and how to do that, and where to get this from and where to get that from for cheap prices. However, if you're not a DIY guy that can do those things or use that information, and you're going to need me to use, my knowledge and my skills to do the work for you, then you got to be willing to pay for that. Because it's no doubt in my mind, finding people that can work on e-bikes, and there are a lot of people out there that can work on e-bikes, don't get me wrong. It's not like I'm saying I'm the only one that can do this. There are plenty of people can do it. Are they doing it? That I don't know. I know there are massive waiting lists, and at e-bike shops, stuff is on back order. Even factories and warehouses that produce e-bikes, they got long waiting lists. So if I can provide a service, the same service that they're providing, I'm not going to continue to sell myself short. I think I deserve the same level of pay that those guys are getting. And they're charging some crazy prices. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to be charging some crazy prices, but my prices aren't going to be crazy in the opposite direction. Meaning my prices are so crazy, I'm pretty much giving my work away. I'm not going to continue to do that because, like I said, it's not like I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't claim to know it all, but I know enough. And as I said, I'm just getting into this PEV world, but I learn and move very fast. It's not going to take me long to be one of the best in the game. Believe that. And not only that, if I'm telling you guys how to make your bikes fast, whereas though they're competing almost at the level of the big boys, where they spend the big money, that deserves to be compensated for, I've come up with a method and plan and some low cost equipment that can do pretty much the same and get you on par with being able to run with the big boys without paying the big prices. So, that being said, all I'm saying is, you heard me say that I was going to be charging anywhere from $1,500 to $1,800 for this, and basically that the parts were costing about $1,000. So that means my labor was roughly from $500 to $800, and it will definitely be on the $800 side. But that's not going to stay there for long. But since I said it, I'm going to stick by it for a moment, but not long. So see this as my grand opening sale. Because I'm definitely not going to be able to stay in business long if I don't charge properly. You know, I want to get a shop. I want to have, you know, good tools and accessories and all that kind of stuff, and that costs money, and I'm not going to be able to do that if I keep continuing to give my work away. So that low installation price you heard, being as though I already gave you the formula, you know, to do this for cheap. And if you're a DIY person, you can take advantage of that. But if not, and you want me to do it, yeah, I'm not going to be able to give my work away because I put too much time and energy into this. And yeah, I gotta treat myself a little better. But as I said, coming into it, I knew I needed to prove myself. And I feel like by now, after 180 videos, after you seeing me do exactly what I said I was going to do, I feel like I've proven myself. So that price that I quoted, I will only be keeping that price for a short period of time. Could be a week, could be 2 weeks, but it certainly ain't going to be long. So I suggest if you want to get it for that price, you hurry up and get at me and do something to lock yourself in for that price. Because in about another week or two, I'm raising my prices up to where they should be, on par with everyone else as far as my labor is concerned. The parts will be what the parts are, but my labor will surely have to get a little better as far as the way I reward myself, because I do put in a lot of work, and I try to do the best job possible. That's just me and how I do it. So like I said, I just wanted to put it out there. That sale, my grand opening sale, will be ending very soon. So you better get in where you can fit in. Deuces. And I thank everybody for supporting me. I'm out.